धीरा, ये लो एक अनदर चांस। दैट मीन्स दूसरा मौका, मतलब 24 घंटे का एक पूरा दिन का टाइम, वक्त। सुधार लो अपने कल की गलतियों को और बना लो आज के इस दिन को बेटर कल से। गुड मॉर्निंग धीरा।
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। हाँ, गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छूले हम। तुम्हीं से हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। जीते जाओ बस जीते जाओ, जीते जाओ बस जीते जा, हर उस पल को बस जीते जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीते जा बस जीते जा, जीते जाओ बस जीते जा, हर उस पल को बस जीते जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीते जा बस जीते जा। इतना आसान नहीं माना पर मुश्किल भी नहीं माना तुम। हाँ, इतना आसान नहीं माना पर मुश्किल भी नहीं माना तुम, पर मुश्किल भी नहीं माना तुम। मानो तुम, जानो तुम, पहचानो तुम, अपनाओ तुम। मानो तुम, जानो तुम, पहचानो तुम, अपनाओ तुम। जीते जाओ बस जीते जाओ, जीते जाओ बस जीते जा, हर उस पल को बस जीते जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीते जा, हाँ हाँ जीते जा, जीते जा बस जीते जा, हर उस पल को बस जीते जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। हाँ हाँ जीते जा।
किसी में भी हवा नहीं,
किसी में भी नहीं है। तुम भर दो।
दादी लोग हमको
underneath that means directly below something, मतलब नीचे, तले, के नीचे. For example, the keys are underneath the table. Now comes to the options. Above that means higher than something, मतलब ऊपर. For example, the clock is above the door, so it's wrong because above is the opposite of underneath. Beneath, that means under or below something, मतलब नीचे तले. For example, the treasure was buried beneath the ground, मतलब खजाना जमीन के नीचे दबा हुआ था. So it's correct because underneath and beneath both mean below. Across, that means from one side to the other, मतलब आर पार. For example, she walked across the street, so ये wrong हो जाएगा क्योंकि across indicates horizontal movement, not a lower position. So it's wrong. Now behind, that means at the back of something, मतलब पीछे. For example, the train is 20 minutes behind schedule, so it's also wrong because behind means back, not below. So answer is beneath. Let's understand underneath and beneath. For example, put a book underneath another book. That means it is beneath the other book. That means underneath equals to beneath and beneath equals to below. मतलब नीचे. Guard. That means to protect someone or something from danger. मतलब रक्षा करना, सुरक्षा करना. For example, soldiers guard the border. Security guards guard the bank. Now comes to the options. Defend. That means to protect against attack. मतलब रक्षा करना. For example, that soldiers defended the port. So it's correct because both guard and defend mean protecting something. Difference between guard and defend is guard means protect by watching and defend means protect by fighting. Both have the same basic idea. Now attack. Attack, that means to harm someone, मतलब हमला करना. So it's wrong because guard means saves and attack means harms. They are opposite actions. So it's wrong. Now ignore. Ignore, that means to pay no attention, मतलब अनदेखा करना. So it's wrong because ignoring means doing nothing and guarding means actively protecting. So it's wrong. Now escape. Escape, that means to run away, मतलब भाग जाना. So it's also wrong because a guard stays and someone escaping leaves different action. So it's wrong. So answer is different. Green. Green is a verb जिसका मीनिंग होता है to smile broadly, especially showing the teeth, मतलब दांत दिखाकर मुस्कुराना. For example, she grinned after hearing the good news, मतलब उसने खुशखबरी सुनकर दांत दिखाकर मुस्कुराया. Now comes to the options. Cry, that means to weep, मतलब रोना. So it's wrong because green expresses happiness or amusement and cry expresses sadness or distress. That means they are almost opposite emotions. So it's wrong. Now shout, that means to speak very loudly, मतलब चिल्लाना. For example, don't shout at me. So it's wrong because shouting is about voice and grinning is about facial expression. That means different. So it's wrong. Now smile. A smile, that means to make a happy expression with the lips, मतलब मुस्कुराना. For example, she smiled at everyone. So it's correct because a grin is simply a very wide smile. That means big smile, showing teeth. Now yawn, that means to open your mouth because you are asleep or tired, मतलब जम्हाई लेना. For example, he yawned during the lecture. So it's wrong because yawning happens due to tiredness and grinning happens due to happiness or amusement. So it's also wrong. So answer is a smile. Let's understand grin and smile in easy way. A smile, that means a small smile, and grin, that means big smile. It's like every grin is a smile, but not every smile is a grin.
Relax and involve your senses. What's the best method to use when concentrating on your new images? It's been proven that your mind is most receptive to visualization when you are calm and not thinking about a lot of things simultaneously. So sit down in a comfortable chair at home, close your eyes and do some deep breathing exercises to clear your mind and relax your body. Now develop images that involve as many senses as you can. The more sights, sounds, smells, tastes and touches you put in your pictures, the more powerful the pull for you to make your vision a reality. Here is an example. Let's say you have always dreamed of owning a beachfront house in the Caribbean. Picture the white and peach-colored house. See the green palm trees slowly swaying in the gentle breeze. Smell the salt air. Feel the warm sand between your toes. Feel the sunshine on your face. Isn't this paradise? And all this can be yours if you hold onto this image and do what it takes to achieve it. Also, remember that those images associated with strong emotions have even more power. So be sure to add positive feelings to your vision. For instance, when visualizing your ideal job, combine the vivid mental picture and the physical senses with the terrific emotions of pride and satisfaction you will have working in that new position. Finally, don't be concerned with the quality of your images at the outset. Some people can create lively color pictures while others have trouble getting anything more than a fuzzy image. It's also possible you may only be able to get a particular feeling at the beginning as opposed to a clear image. In any case, don't worry about it. Do the best you can and don't compare yourself to anyone else. Your images will become sharper over time. The key is to spend several minutes each day running these new movies in your mind. So, Scottish. Vision is the art of seeing things invisible to others. यश तेरा, बिकॉज एक ही तो जिंदगी मिली है दिरा, एक ही तो जिंदगी मिली है दिरा, चॉइस इज योर्स, क्योंकि यू नो इट, यथा दृष्टि तथा सृष्टि, डर के आगे ही तो जीत है, डर के आगे ही तो जीत है। क्या कमी रह गए देखो और सुधार करो, तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर, है अगर कहीं स्वर्ग जो उतार ला जमीन पर, तू जिंदा है।